Okay, long drive today from Texas to Louisiana. We stopped at a little rest stop, so we're doing some scooting.
Darn windy.
It's windy. Texas, North Texas is windy, that's all we know. We woke up in a hotel this morning, arrived here at 2 a.m.
And now we are going to have breakfast.
That's right. Have you ever been to Louisiana before?
No.
Technically, we made it to Louisiana at like 11 o'clock last night. But here we are. We had another 2-hour drive this morning. We are hungry or hangry.
Hangry, very hangry.
Okay, we're hangry. All of us are hangry. And we are headed to get some Louisiana fried food.
Yeah, for lunch, Gwen.
Fun. And this is alligator. Alligator.
What do you think of alligator?
Good. Yes, 12 minutes away from Lake Fausse State Park. Cannot wait to just relax. Look at these beautiful trees. Such a different landscape from where we just were. Viking blood, the drink of alligator hunters. I need to read you. Viking blood, the drink of alligator hunters.
Me and Eleanor are out here. We're hunting for alligators. We don't see any. What happened? We had our first experience with fire ants. They got Gwen real good. Bit all over ankles. Look how tiny they are. They're not gonna eat us. Micah's afraid they're gonna eat us.
Okay, who wouldn't be afraid?
If you can't see, it's right there. But tomorrow on the paddleboard, we'll get real close to him.
We saw an alligator. And that was pretty cool.
What we have here is the beautiful sleeping baby. She's a work of art. Look at this. Oh shit. She's no longer sleeping. I screwed that up.
Mosquitoes your friend?
Mosquitoes are not my friend. Are mosquitoes your friend?
Mm-mm. This is my fishing pole.
Do you want catfish, frog legs, trout, or alligator? Oh, she says alligator, please.
Where are we going?
Paddleboarding with the alligators.
Hello?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, power up! Well, this is really unfortunate, guys. We were about to go on a hike and we heard a big pop and our paddleboard exploded. have my entire jungle hiking crew out with me today. We got little Jane over here. Eleanor's Tarzan, but like a female version. And Micah is also Jane. We got Big Jane and Little Jane. Me, Gwen, and Eleanor hanging out at the tent.
And Mommy went for one.
Yeah, we're gonna play some card games. We're gonna make the most out of it. You know, if it decides to rain, you just gotta make the most of it. We kind of knew this would happen at some point.
Wet. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
So I just went for a nice trail run. First trail run post baby. Post rain shenanigans. Splash. Splash, splash, splash. Are you playing in the puddle? Yeah, happy as ever.
Well, our time in the Louisiana bayous and swampland is ending. We're packing up the truck. It's been a nice 3 days. The first few days were beautiful. Yesterday we went for a run. Me and Mike are not used to this hot weather camping. You know, no sleeping bag, just kind of like praying to God there's some wind. There was none.
This bridge is crazy. Just drove probably 15 miles on the levee where the state park was, and you obviously can't see over it, so we kind of were confused on what was going on, but this is what it was doing. It was holding this back. Holy cow. M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. It's the Mississippi River!
Wow. This is like nothing I've ever seen before. Like, the entire highway system down here in New Orleans is literally built on the water. Okay, we made it to our friend's house. Oh, good morning. Hey, Micah, how's your sleep in the bed?
Hey, it was so great. Good morning. Laundry day. I had so much laundry.
Yeah, we went through a lot of clothes in 1 week. Slept in a real bed with some AC. It's quite nice.
Shower.
Ate a whole bunch more fried food, which is just good and bad all at the same time. We're going fan boating.
Woohoo! Tourists in New Orleans.
The guy was just telling us they're 5.7 big block off Corvette engines, tuned for airboats.
600 horsepower.
And then they eat through fuel.
Eats fuel like a race car.
That is a great blue heron. The bird will get up to 5 feet tall with a 6-foot wingspan. That's probably the #1 killer of baby alligators.
Oh, yeah.
Who wants some?
Oh, I'll hold it.
Hi. Buddy?
He's ready to pounce.
You gonna bite, bud?
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, that hurts. Here's Jumping Junior. Get on up.
Bro, you need a
Leg
hand?
up. I know it's high right there. Come on, you can do it.
You ever try to pick him up? Like,
My face getting bit off.
he's like,
Time to kick my husband's butt.
We're gonna run. She's catching up. No! Forrest Gump. It's so hot. It's disgustingly hot. Mike is kicking my butt. I gotta get back to it. Oh yeah. Mike made a wrong turn. I'm back in front. I'm overtaking Micah because she's peeing. She's peeing. I'm gonna win. Yes.
All right, everybody. Some boiled crawfish. And Mary's gonna show us how to get the meat out.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
There it is. Yummy.
Nice.
Eat yourself some crawfish.
A crawfish.
Yeah.
We're gonna go party. Micah, where are we?
Pat O'Brien.
You gotta get your daiquiri fix on, man. There are no shortage of daiquiris here. Go to the dungeon. The dungeon. The ghost story.
Yes. The first line. Yes, we have ghosts. And at least one or two more.
I love Micah so much.
Cafe du Monde.
We are heading out of New Orleans. It was a great night checking out like the downtown Bourbon Street area and the French Quarter. Me and Mike went out and had a good old time. She's alive today.
Tired. My baby sleeps better in a tent than in a bed.
To Gulf Shores now, we got about a 4-hour drive. We're taking what's the name of this bridge? Remember? The Causeway. It's one of the world's longest bridges.